Aloha. Aloha, Sky. Mahalo, we're digging this, man. Our 15 minutes of fame. Yeah. If you got any requests, just give us a call at 296-1051.
Mahalo.
I haven't said that for years. Little...
Marco, I am the creepy stew. Me mama Mia, for you and I. Kaka Marco, I am the creepy stew. Me mama Mia, for you and I. In my cup, come lay upon a man, Mamma Mia, for you and I. In my cup, come lay upon me, Mamma Mia, for you and I, for you and
Thank you very much. There's a whole bunch. You know, we like to take the traditional and kind of turn it on its head, but still come back home. So nice to be here in Waimanalo today. The Kuleana Breakfast Club is but a few friends helping friends. So if you'd like to perhaps purchase a Kuleana Breakfast Club coffee mug with some coffee and some pancake mix available back there. And of course, for $5, we're going to raffle off the surfboard later on today. Okay. So how's it, Mike? How we doing? We all right?
We good.
How we doing? We okay? One more. We good? One more? Okay. Happy Mother's Day. This is a selection we do because we praise the Most High, and He's here. Could be even she's here. But we dedicate this to you folks. Have a beautiful, beautiful day here at the Gabby. I saw Brother Philip, and to Martin, and to Cyril, and to the gang and the family. The greatest of aloha from two good brothers over here. We dedicate this to them. Thank you so much.
Oh Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the worlds thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe display. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Mr. Brickard Galateria.
Oh, yung sa alignment. Okay. Oh, nice.
And sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou groovy music today. Malo.
All right, that's Uncle Brickwood and Uncle Mike.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're very excited that these folks come and share. They all often swing by the hospital and sing for Brother Cyril. They celebrated various holidays with Cyril in the hospital this past year, and they carry on the legacy of their mother, who I still consider the first lady of Hawaiian song. I'm very pleased that the Ohana is now carrying on, because the granddaughter has taught her children how to carry on in our Hawaiian music roots. Hailing from Papakolea, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Keawe Ohana.
Kapuana, kuahimi nani vai ale ale, mena kimi eha, mano kalanipo.
Say to police, Pupuei hova imehana, Onyana OSA to police, Mehela noe maiana, Auhea kule. Malihini oe, malihini o, makai hoka, haualaki ka ma'aina. Kabono ika no pai pai Haina ia mai ka puana Oniana o e se kuupoli Kuupoli Kuupoli
Henne henne ko aka Ko ole ole o paha He mea ma'a mau ia For you and I Henne henne ko aka Ko ole ole o paha He mea ma'a mau ia For you and I Kawila market neki Oni oni go kino He mea ma'a mau ina For you and I Kawila market neki Oni oni go kino He mea ma'a mau ina For you and I Ikaka ako Kaka ako mako Ayana ikapistu He mea ma'a mau ia For you and her I Waikiki mako Awana ike He mea ma'a mau ia For you and I Ikapahulu mako Ayana ikalipoa He mea ma'a mau ia For you and you Haina mai ka puana Ko ole ole o paha He mea ma'a mau ia For you and I No ke ona ona No ke aloha pili pa'a Pili he mo'one E wehi a hele No ke ona ona No ke aloha pili pa'a Pili he mo'one Ka ua I kanani o ki ko'ona Ai te wehi a ka ua ai hale Ka ua I kanani o ki ko'ona Ai ka wehi a ka ua ai hale Pa'ani Ahoya, oh wow Uva uhu kahiki no nenei Aia nei hana nui a ke aloha Oh wow Uva uhu kahiki no nenei Aia nei hana nui a ke aloha Ichi hiki hiki mai ku aloha I o unei Aia nei hana eha a ka pu'uwai Hiki mai ku aloha I o unei Aia nei hana eha a ka pu'uwai Pa'ani ho Hale pili akaua anakupayana Haina iyo mai anakapuana Le pili akaua anakupayana Aloha. Mahalo, Waimanalo for having us in your backyard. We'd like to thank the Pahinui Ohana for welcoming us here today to celebrate Hawaiian music and the 10th year of the Gabi Pahinui Kanikapila Festival. We'd like to introduce the members of the band as if you don't already know them. We represent the Keawe Ohana. To my right is the matriarch of our group. This is Auntie Momi B. Kahawaiola'a, who is also your neighbor.
Right up the street.
And then to her right, we have our honorary Ohana member. This is Alan Akaka, master of the steel guitar and my children's kumu, so that I don't have to. And then on the far end there, we have Malie, my eldest, Mahiapo. She's normally on steel guitar, but we didn't want to have two steel guitars on stage. And we are missing our bass player, which of course is my uncle, Gary Aiko, who is the eldest of my tutu's dozen. And the youngest of the bunch, my dad, couldn't be here also. He's with my mom on Maui, visiting my grandmother for Mother's Day. Hau'oli la makuahine, what a wonderful way to celebrate our mothers and our women. And so, in doing so, in doing so, we'd like to honor our mothers with this song. It's one of the first songs that my tutu, Genoa Keawe, taught me how to sing when I was in high school. You know, I made the mistake of asking her, Tutu, can I be your hula dancer? She said, sure, if you like make half the pay. I said, oh, okay, I'll go practice my singing. No, but, you know, and she always taught, a lot of her albums were done to support our halau. Our stories are told not only through the music, but through the hula as well. And so we're grateful for all of the work that our musicians are doing to support hula and our halau, and likewise to all of the halau for bringing life to our lyrics through their motions. So here's a song that we like to do called E Mama E. E mama e mai ui owe I hele no o vau E mama e mai ue owe I hele no o vau Hele ia I kala I kale ale You know, being a mother is not easy, I learned. I like mahalo. Mahalo for all the brothers over here who are helping to keep our park clean. Setting the example for my son over there. He's supposed to be walking around picking up trash also. I was driving over the Like Like, coming back to town. I look out my side view mirror and you know what I saw? My son rolled down his window and threw a piece of trash out the window. Away! I cannot believe I'm telling this story right now. I was so livid. But you know, that's just one of the little challenges that all the mothers have had to deal with on a daily. And so as I've become a mother myself, I've really learned to appreciate all that our mothers do. You folks are raising our future leaders of tomorrow. So mahalo. Haina ia mai.
All right, mahalo nui.
Mahalo.
The Keawe Ohana. Oh my goodness.
All right, we're gonna do our closing song for you. Of course, it wouldn't be proper for us not to end without recognizing and honoring the matriarch of the group who has passed on and joined that luau in the sky. We would not be here if it wasn't for her. So we're gonna kick it off with Auntie Momi.
Okay,
Ladies and gentlemen, Alan Akaka on our steel guitar. It really is a blessing to be here on stage with these wonderful people. My daughter, never thought that would happen so soon. Just turned 13, but is doing wonderful under the direction of this master steel guitarist, Uncle Alan. And then, of course, there's Auntie Momi, who just celebrated her 90th birthday this year. Doesn't she look fabulous?
Hello.
It's the music that keeps you alive. So keep singing.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. Pomai, Auntie Momi, Uncle Alan,
And Malie.
and Malia and Josepa.
Yes.
Thank you guys. The Ke'ave Ohana,
Yes.
carrying on the tradition.
Yep, under the legacy of Genoa Keave.
You know,
Amazing.
that's one thing about Gabby. He loved sharing his music with his family.
Mm-hmm.
Gabby loved having families come and share music, like Auntie Genoa and all of her children. Now her grands and great-grands are carrying
Yep.
on that legacy.
That's right. You know, speaking of legacy, is taking the stage now. We have some haumana from Uncle Cyril himself. Actually, it's
Couple of years ago, Cyril started teaching Kiho Alo Slaki at the Bishop Museum. And the students signed up to be a part of learning this legacy of G-tuning that was passed on from Pops to his son,
that's right,
Cyril.
in the key of C.
And Cyril has shared that tuning and many other tunings with a lot of musicians from here to the Big Island. This group from the Bishop Museum, we just kind of like to call them the Kanikapila Bishop Museum Boys. And in that true style of Cyril Pahinui, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our Bishop Museum Kiho'alo players.
Testing 1 2. Test.
Testing. 1 2 1 2.
Okay, 1 2 check. Aloha wa manalo. Hui ho. Veli na me ke aloha. We are very proud to be here today. And we really want to thank our kumo, Mr. Cyril Pahinui, for his talent, his love for Hawaiian music and Hawaiian culture and Hawaiian people. So today we're going to do a few of the songs that we've learned from our kumu. And then we want to invite all of you to pray for our kumu, Cyril Pahinui, that he will heal well and soon be back into his music. So we're going to feature Brother Clayton Kanashiro. He's going to introduce the songs that he's going to do for us today.
Okay, for our song today is Lepe Ula Ula. And Cyril one day was pointing to his iPad with Shell at the hospital, and he pointed to this song, and Peter and Jeff was Cyril played this song, and we got to learn this song, Lepe Ula Ula. Lepe ula ula, lepe o kamoa, ke hua kulina, ai a kapele. keiki mai au no ka waihae ai no keiki ki puka ili lave a lilo Brother George, honey Vale iho o i maua Hau haali a o ai lea I laila maua Kupune e ka hao Kokope i ka iu kupu Kupu e ka papa ino Mr. Jonathan Lepe ula ula. Love you, Cyril. The next song on our left end is Jonathan Castillo, and he will introduce his song.
Song entitled Pu Ana Holo. Anahulu kapaya kainoa Ua heluyana Anahulu kapaya kainoa Anahulu kapaya No ia mai ko aloha E nā mano o hulu mele mele No ia mai ko aloha E nā mano o hulu mele
All right, let's hear it for Halo Mele o Pahinui.
Mahalo nui loa.
Aloha. Mahalo, you guys. Once again, that was Halo Mele o Pahinui. Uncle Cyril's students, Haumana from Bishop Museum.
Please give them a nice round of applause. They've been here for the last 5 years, I believe, sharing what Cyril taught them. They even go up and play inside the hospital room. So thank you, brothers, very, very much. Mahalo nui.
Mahalo nui.
Hene hene ko aka, ko ale ale apaha. He mea ma'a ia for you and I. Hene hene ko aka, ko ale ale apaha. He mea ma'a ia for you and I. Kawila market neki, oni oni go kino. He mea ma'a ia for you and I. Kawila market neki, oni oni go kino.